Minestrone is pretty good. What is happening? What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I have a brand new video for you guys. I'm so excited to share a few things with you guys that I've picked up from Amazon. This is a Amazon haul, and oh my gosh, you guys, seriously, it is a problem. It is an addiction. Amazon literally has everything that you could want, and especially during a quarantine, okay, you know what I'm saying? They have everything, and they're still shipping, they're still doing things. I mean, girl, boy, whoever you are, Amazon is your best friend if it is not already, okay? So let me just introduce you to a few things that I picked up that I really am excited about and that I wanted to share with you guys. So I've done a few of these on my channel before, so if you guys not have seen any of those previous videos, I will kind of link some little cards up here if you guys want to go ahead and click and check out my previous ones to get caught up. But before we do that, let's go ahead and jump into today's Amazon haul, and I just wanted to start with a couple things here. If you guys know me, you know that I am a huge person about health and fitness and my skin. I've dealt with eczema for a very big portion and chunk of my life, and the only thing that has helped my skin is eating better and taking care of my body. So if you have seen previous videos on my weight loss journey and my eczema stories and just things that I've done in the past, you guys know that I love taking supplements and just eating cleaner and just making sure I get my heart rate up and just exercising and all of that fun stuff. But I can tell you that it's probably going to be a new thing of where I purchase my supplements from, just because it's such an easy access. It's here in 2 days, and they're pretty affordable, and they have a good variety of things on there that you can choose from. One thing I wanted to bring to your guys' attention was this MegaFood supplement company. This is actually like a daily multivitamin slash iron supplement. One thing that I really like about their packaging though, pull this out, is that the bottle is actually like in this little compartment thing, which is really nice, just in case if you have like a glass bottle or something that can break easily. I feel like they did a really good job with the packaging, so that's really nice. But when you unroll this thing here, proven in a clinical study to increase iron levels without side effects. So if you guys know anything about iron supplements, they can actually cause you to be a little constipated. Supposedly this does not cause any constipation or anything like that. So it's an iron and a multivitamin dietary supplement. So I really wanted to try this out. One, because I really need a multivitamin because I'm out. I usually take one. And because my nails have been really brittle and breaking a lot and very thin, so I wanted to incorporate starting to take iron. I know that I actually tried to donate plasma previously in the past, and when I tried to donate, they wouldn't let me because my iron levels were too low. With that being said, this little supplement here that I have is just this Fiber Good Gummies, and I've actually purchased these twice in the past. This is just a refill. I've just been taking these pretty often. These really help with my bowel movements and my digestive system, just to make sure that everything is flowing correctly, and these are really nice. They are pretty big chunky vitamins that are chewable, and they taste pretty good. They don't taste bad or anything. They actually taste like fruit snacks or like candy, so you just have to be careful not to eat too many of them. But it's a prebiotic fiber supplement, so I've loved these. Like I said, I've bought them in the past and I've really enjoyed them, and it's a pretty good amount. It will last you quite some time. I think it's 2 per day. Yeah, 2 gummies when you take them, so this should last you quite a little bit. So those are some supplements that I picked up. The next item I wanted to share with you guys is this SmartSweets, and I'm so excited that I found this on Amazon, okay? Because first of all, I've only been able to find this at GNC, like the, you know, like the vitamin shops, and I wanted to have it to where it could be like delivered to me because I'm lazy. So I really like these because they are only 3 grams of sugar per bag. So this is a really good substitute for candy. So if you guys are having a sweet tooth and you just want some like that junk food candy like Swedish fish, These literally taste just like Swedish fish, and they're so good. These are only 80 calories. The carbohydrates are pretty high. They're 35 grams, which is I wish it didn't have so many carbs, but it's whatever. I mean, it's like candy, but it only has 3 grams of sugar, and that's where I'm like really happy about it. So these are plant-based, they're high in fiber, and they're free from artificial sweeteners, and they are peanut and tree nut free from artificial colors, and they're naturally flavored. If you guys want something to snack on, these are a good option for you guys, and a little bit of a guilt-free option. The price point is a little bit expensive, but I mean, it wasn't bad. I got 6 packages and this was like $17 or like 16 something. So it's a little bit on the pricey side, but like I said, they are a super good option if you guys want a good little cheat little snack. So this next little gadget I thought was really neat because it's literally like 7 something. It's like under $8, and it's just a little thing that you can keep your phone on. So a lot of the times I'm in bed and I am watching YouTube videos. Alrighty then. That was rude. So one thing that I do is lay in bed a lot, and I'm like off to the side and I'm watching videos, and I'm trying to like prop my phone up on my nightstand against like my humidifier and stuff. So one thing I really thought I needed was just something I can just stick my phone on and just watch videos on. So one thing that I really liked about it though is that you can actually still use this with your phone being attached to your cell phone charger, because a cord can fit like right through here. So with your phone you can either lay it up like this, so you can put it upwards like that. Otherwise you can also put it sideways and do it like that. And I'm like, what? I need that. So for the price, I thought it was a really cool gadget, and I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, it's literally like $8, and it's really heavy duty. I mean, it's kind of, you can kind of tell it's like cheaply made a little bit, but I mean, for $8, I mean, you get what you pay for. But this is like, this ain't going nowhere. Like, this isn't flexible or anything. It's really sturdy, and it's such a good option, you guys. I'm so excited. Another thing that I thought for this too is like if I'm in the kitchen and I'm cooking or like doing something or meal prepping, you know, I can just prop this up and I can, you know, set this up and scroll through and like look at the recipe if I'm using a recipe off like Pinterest or something. Otherwise you can like watch a TV show or something on your phone while you're cooking and have this propped up like in the corner or something while you're cooking. And I was like, oh my god, I need that in my life. So really cool find. I'm really excited about that. This couple items are fitness related, and I'm really excited to use this. I don't know if I'm going to work out tonight or if I'm going to work out in the morning. It's already like 7 o'clock at night, but I'm just like so pumped about it. And if anything, I'll probably just blow this sucker up and just see what it looks like. I don't know, but I'm just really pumped. I purchased a exercise ball, and I'm really excited because this was only $24.97. $24.97, and I feel like it's such a good deal for this, and I'm definitely gonna use it all the time. So if you guys are looking to kind of like start incorporating things that you can work out with at home, this is a super good option. They also have a ton of different other things on Amazon, so like resistance bands, kettlebells, dumbbells. Like there's so many things that you guys can purchase from Amazon to start incorporating things to have a home gym type of thing at home. So I'm so excited to use this. I'm actually just gonna open it up because I want to see what it looks like. I always say I'm excited a lot, but like I'm such a child when it comes to like getting things in the mail. I'm like, oh, it feels like Christmas, or it feels like it's my birthday. So like, yeah, I'm excited. If I haven't said that already. Box here, it says it's anti-burst coating, so it's able to support up to 600 pounds. And that's good to know, just in case my fat butt decides to burst this on accident, that it is burst proof. I was wondering how I was going to inflate it, because I was like, I don't have anything. So that's nice. It does come with like a little floater tuber thingy-majigger. That's not working. One day we'll get there. One day I will get this unwrapped and I'll be able to show it to you guys. It's like we got our little pump thing. That's what it looks like. I did get the color silver, I believe. Yeah, silver. And they had tons of different colors. You can get like a pink, a black, a blue, like, I don't even remember what other colors that they had, but I really like the silver one. And it smells just like straight up rubber. But they have the little ring on the front here, but this, what size was this? I think this is like a 65 inch. They have different sizes. I guess there's like 65 inch, 75 inch, but depending how tall you are. To get this blown up so I can show it to you guys. What is that? What's the matter? You okay? The next thing that I have that was fitness related was this resistance band. Honestly, I have no idea what kind it is or like how big the weight is. I know resistance bands, they have like 5 pounds, 7 pound, 8 pound, like different type of resistance, like more that are more difficult or more that are have less of a resistance. So this one, I don't know how much like resistance it has, but I mean it stretches pretty good. You know, like glute exercises, you can do like kickbacks. Oh my god. Alright, chill. And you can also like put this on your foot, and then you could do 2 hands like this. Maybe. How do I want to do this? You could just like do shoulder workouts, or if you did one arm and you just went like that and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to see what I could do with this little band. There's so many different exercises that you guys can do with a resistance band. So this was affordable. I think this was $14.99 or something like that. And that, I mean, it's kind of expensive for just one. I'm sure like places have a pack where you can get multiple. What is happening? I'm sure you can get multiple for a good price if you find them somewhere, or like maybe the Facebook Marketplace or something, but I just wanted to order it off Amazon and just get it here in 2 days because I'm ready to work out. So excited about that. I have 2 more things to show you guys. One of the things that I purchased is not here yet, but I actually already have a pair because I've already bought them previously. I just like them so much that I got another pair. It's actually just a pair of compression socks that I wear to work, and they were kind of expensive. I think they were like around 20 bucks for just one pair, and you guys, to me it's worth it because I'm on my feet all the time and I'm just constantly running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So I really need a good pair of compression socks because I'm starting to get varicose veins on my calf area. So I just picked those up, but I'm going to show them to you. They are seriously the best socks I've ever had ever for work. So I'll show you that, or what they look like. They have literally just like the right amount of compression, and they're so good, you guys. They fit so well, and just like I can't even like describe it to you. I love them. I really like the colors too. They have different colors. This is just like a gray and white type of thing, or black and white. They also have like orange and pink and blue and all the different types of colors, but I really like the pattern and the stitching on them too. One thing I really like is that they come up pretty high, although I wish they didn't come up as high because they come up all the way up to like my knee, so I have to roll them down sometimes to make sure they're not like cutting off my circulation and up towards my knee area and leaving marks. So I just roll it down just a tiny bit like that, and oh my god, I love these. I love them so much, and they were a little expensive like I said, but I think they were so worth it, and I have another pair coming on the way, so I really like them. And then I also am using it right now. It's for my camera. So this is just like a little mini tripod thing, and you can put on any type of little camera. So right now I have a Canon camera on the tripod. It is so sturdy and it's really good quality, and I'm just so excited about it because not only am I going to use it for you know, filming videos and stuff, but you can actually, you know, like hold on to it and just like travel around with it. So if you're like, you know, vlogging or in the grocery store or something, you can actually like just hold on to it and use it like this instead of, you know, just holding the camera by itself. So it has a little bit more like a stability thing. So I'm just really excited because this was really cheap. I think it was like under 20 bucks, and it's just such good quality. Like, I can't even describe it to you guys. But it's just a really good find, and I am so set. Like, I'm just super pumped about it.